So, these are all the pieces that you'll need to build the Lego bird with a movable head. And that's the Lego bird. And it has a movable head. And if you want to, you can actually take off those two wings and put in two bigger ones. And then you have like a bigger bird. Simple. Ta-da!